Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix default PDF viewer keeps changing to Microsoft Edge. Open Edge browser, click three dots, click settings. Click cookies and site permissions. Open PDF documents. Turn on always download PDF files. Right-click PDF file, click Open with, click Choose another app. Choose any app other than Edge, check Always use this app to open PDF files, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.